Inside the bag. Give it to you?
A picture.
Sure?
So it looks like I'm holding the bird.
Okay.
The shuttle has come to a complete stop.
Pen? Go check. You cannot throw also. Later.
No.
Come, come.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Flying Theater. The presentation will start at 10.
Million years ago, the first birds appeared on our planet. A group of fully feathered theropods. Dromaeosaurs, Microraptors, and Velociraptors. We live among the descendants of dinosaurs. The killing claw of a velociraptor. The talons of birds of prey. Top of the food chain. The ultimate predator. Eagles, hawks, owls, vultures, rulers of the skies, hunters, and masters of flight. Welcome to Predators on Wings.
Hello, very good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So, how is everyone out there? That is the reception. Wow, on the landing. And Susie has been with us for almost 25 years. The strong beaks and sharp talent, an unmatched hunt.
That's right, now Susie, here she weighs 4.7 kilograms. And yet, when flying at high speed, she's able to lift off an entire plane that weighs all the way up to 4 kilograms. So that is almost her entire body weight.
That is impressive, Joe. And you know what? Fun fact about bald eagle.
She has done a wonderful job. It's time for her to hit back home. Right, and home is all the way back there. Let's... Oh. Very playful this morning. You know what? Let's give Susie a big hand, our American bald eagle. Southeast Asia. And they're also one of the largest birds of prey that you can find right here in Singapore.
Now, white-bellied seagulls have feet with rough undersnakes. In fact, they specialize in hunting venomous sea snakes.
Well, Sean, speaking about sea snakes, I have a
Well, looks like someone is up to hunt early in the morning. And you know what? For those of you who missed that, because it happened really fast, not to worry. We have a replay right on the screen. There we go. Great dancing. Fire! Here we go. Whoa! The Brownie Triceratops sapphire are medium-sized raptors, but don't let the size fool you. They are dark. Do remember to look up. You might be able to spot wild brownie kites or even the white-bellied sea eagle circling around. And this is how they look like in the sky. Now on the left is the white-bellied sea eagle. The right, great landing net.
Hello there. Now so nice of you to join us back up on stage as well. And there we go. So these are two local species of raptors, but it is easy to spot the difference. Now they are very different of course in their size, their colors, and even the shape of their wings. Now white-bellied sea during winter. From their breeding grounds in Europe and Asia, they fly all the way to as far as Africa. But that is a perilous journey, and many of them never make it to their destination.
Thousands around the world are killed for sport. So we need your help to save and protect these birds, or our skies will soon be empty.
Well, Sean, did you know that birds of prey are actually important to us humans?
Yes, they do know they have a role to play.
That's right. Now, birds of prey help us by removing sick and injured animals, and even get rid of pests. Now, one bird in particular. So the moments that these birds hunt for, never hear them. Because owls, they are the masters of.
In a vision, just like us.
Oh, I didn't know that, Sean. Learned something new today. But here's some fun facts about the owl's eyes that I do know. Now, the colors of their eyes tells you when they hunt. So owls with yellow eyes, they hunt during the day. And those with orange eyes, they tend to hunt during sunrise and sunset. But what about owls with dark black eyes? They hunt during
And feed on carcasses. So coming from South and Central America, let's welcome Raul, our Southern President, Tara Tara. This is an unusual bird of prey, and it uses strong legs and black claws to forage forest walls for their prey such as worms or even insects.
I don't see how you find
Now, these
without
birds
target.
are also very intelligent and inquisitive.
You can
They
learn
will
the
break the
stroke.
nest of other birds and calm down. Everyone watch. 1, 2, 3, and there we go!
That is much better. And you know what? Let's be fair. One on that side, one on this side. Alright? So here we go, Raul. And where are you? We're gonna start from the ground and up you go! Awesome! Well, that's a slow-mo fight. And it's time for you to Raul and head back to your cave. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big hand for Raul, our Southern President. Now, as Joe mentioned, even some crescent carcass can be found feeding on exotic birds. When you watch TV, They are portrayed as evil, circling the skies with ominous music and a sense of impending doom. Well, we are here to tell you the real story.
Well, you see, vultures, they are nature's clean-up crew. Using columns of air, they fly and glide through the skies in search for carcasses, relying on the strong sense of sight and smell. The vultures help to prevent the spread of contagious diseases.
So with that, let's welcome our first vulture, Zena, the turkey vulture. Birds can be found in Americas, and what? The few birds you find in cute sense of smell.
So that means that when there is a carcass, the turkey vultures will be the first on the scene. And in fact, bigger vultures will follow them to the carcass because they help to do the hard work of ripping apart tough skin of a large carcass, just like the one right over here.
And is also from the Americas. According to Mayan legend, these birds are seen as messengers between humans and gods, earning them the title of king. So let's welcome the cowboys, our magnificent King Vulture. These beautiful birds are the only vulture with multicolored heads and piercing light-colored eyes.
Now they soar at an altitude above 8,000 feet in the sky, and they rule over other vultures, watching what they are doing. So earlier you met Zena, and in the wild, the turkey vultures will be the first to detect and descend upon a carcass. And that is the cue for other birds like the black vulture to follow them, joining them in the feast.
But hold on, the feast only really begins when the king vulture arrives. That's because they have short and powerful beaks which help to rip, pull, and even turn over a carcass of a medium-sized animal. A simple replication of what he's doing right now, ripping and pulling a small carcass that he's enjoying right there. And of course, that's something that other vultures with weak and narrow beaks can't do. They will rely on the king vulture.
That's right, so in order for these smaller birds to get to the other parts of the carcass, they will need on top of it. They need the ripper, and they will need the king vulture. Right, time for you to make your way back home. So once you're done enjoying your feast right back there, you can join me.
And ladies and gentlemen, take a look at the screen right there. You can see that there is an interesting facial feature on the king vulture itself. So they have what is called a caruncle. That is the only facial feature that these king vultures possess, different from other vultures in the wild. It looks like our culprit is truly enjoying the feast on the carcass itself. Ladies and gentlemen, not only that, the king vulture possess one of the most powerful beaks of all. A bunch of greedy birds competing and stripping the last carcass down to its bones.
Well, but did you know that vultures are social species and they actually respect their place in the pecking order? So when vultures gather, there is a feast protocol.
That's right, Joe. And let's welcome our next guest to the feast, the African white-backed vulture. Please take a seat, thank you. They are the middleweight now critically endangered.
Now moving on to the next cause of the meal, which is the height and ligaments of the carcass. Ladies and gentlemen, let's enter our Cenarius vulture, the heavyweight from Europe. other vulture species. These birds are more solitary and they prefer to feed in smaller groups, except when they are breeding and having chicks. So our large bill right there uses his strong gripping feet and hook bill to rip apart tough skin and feed on chunks of flesh.
If you take a look at the marble stocks, they have a dagger-like beak and stern all many things.
And of course, they cooperate and coexist with vultures, joining them in the feast. And now speaking of Africa, 11 different species of vultures. They are responsible for cleaning up to 70% of the continent's carrier. So without these amazing birds, we humans would be in a lot of trouble.
That is true, Joe. Now all around the world, we are losing these amazing birds for many reasons. Poison carcasses, deforestation, electrocution, and superstitious belief. The many are now critically endangered, and conservation efforts will be the only way to save these amazing birds from becoming extinct. So let us now take a moment to appreciate these amazing birds for keeping our environment safe. Let's give them a big round of applause.
So today, we have rats, raptors, and scavenger birds. Now these kings of the skies and the walkers of our earth. Well, they are all a part of our ecosystem, a part of our planet. And if we were to lose these amazing birds, we will be losing a part of our planet.
Thank you very much for coming down to our presentation and let us all learn to live in harmony with all predators always.
Now once again, thank you so much for joining us here today. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Now before you leave, let me tell you about the next program happening right back here at the Sky Amphitheater. At 12:30 p.m. we have the Wings of the World, where you get to catch parrots, hornbills, and even flamingos. So don't forget to get right.
I can cook for you.
There, bird. Oh, what is that? That.
You see the whole tree is this bird. See the whole tree. So that the birds can drink.
Okay, let's. Can you go far away, Aram? Aram, stop! Sir, Aram.
And you have me.
Okay, let's go in the that water. Come. Oh, did you?